Welcome to 3 Katy Way in Holliston, Massachusetts at White Pine Estates. Located on a private road, Katy Way is a quiet cul-de-sac. With low traffic and no drive-thrus, it's full of young families with lots of children at play. The large, flat front yard is perfect for kids playing outdoors and running to play with the neighbors. And the great hill on the side of the home is perfect for sledding. Built by one of Holliston's premier custom home builders, they're well known for their attention to detail and hands-on craftsmanship. Special features in the kitchen include soft-close drawers and lazy Susans in the kitchen, a built-in baking sheet tray organizer in the kitchen cabinets, as well as a large hidden pantry. There's exceptional natural light throughout, and electrical outlets throughout the home have built-in night lights or USB ports. The picturesque balcony overlooks the woods, and it's a perfect, peaceful, and quiet spot to enjoy your morning coffee. Holliston offers an exceptional school system with a French immersion program offered in the elementary school, as well as Goodwill Park, restaurants such as local favorite Bar Athena, grocery, Target, Starbucks, and shopping are just 5 to 10 minutes away.